folks, we'd love you to sing this one. Here we go. Here we go. And it's you take a high road and ride. Let's hear you a bit louder. And I'll be a song before me. Me and my true love will never meet again. Bonnie, bonnie pipes all alone. Okay, folks, how many people here wish Tony Blair would go away? That's all very fine, but listen to what you'll get instead. Here we go. Something like this. A garden for me, a garden for me. If you're me, a garden, you're me, you see me. The black watcher brought the seaports and all, but the cocky wee gardens, the pride of them all. A garden for me, a garden for me. If you may still faxes, you're me, you see me. The black watcher brought the seaports and all, but the cocky wee gardens, the pride of them all. Okay, ladies, a little question. Are there any grandmothers here? Put up your hand if you're a grandmother. Don't be afraid. Right, there's one male one down there. Oh, well, stem cell science is great these days. Okay. The reason I ask, folks, is I'm a grandfather myself. I have 7 grandchildren and I've no favourites. I hate the whole lot of them. But my granny was from a wee town called Ballachulish, south. And when I sing this, I think of her. And I'd like to get it dedicated to the nice ladies who put up their hands. Here we go. Where the heather bells are blooming just outside Granny's door. Whereas Granny's there we played in days of long ago. In the shadow of Penbraggy, my Goldsby's lordly stay. How I wish that I could see my granny's hand. Big finish. How I wish that I could see my granny's hand. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. You're a lovely audience tonight. May you all live to see the end of Neighbours. Okay, we're going to feature Mark in this one because it's a country song.